Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this part, and this is the very simple part designed for the beginner user. As you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help this channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So first thing which I will do is to create a front sketch profile. So I have created a new file and switch to the part design workbench and create a body, create a sketch, then select this front plane, and then I will simply create a rectangle. Vertical dimension will be 98 and horizontal dimension is of 90, and we will select a line tool and create a line, and then we will use the trim and trim it, and select the fillet and create a fillet. Now we will define this dimension, which is of 35, and radius of R18, and this is the vertical height of 60 mm, and we will close it. And now we will select the sketch, click on extrude, select reverse. Instead of reverse, we will use symmetric to the plane and provide the here value 75. And now press 0 for isometric, and now we will create a sketch like this, a rectangular, and we will extrude it. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch, press 0, and we will click on convert entities, select the right plane, and give the dimension. So now horizontal dimension is of 15 mm, 15, and this dimension is of 45, and the height, it doesn't matter, but still we will give the more than our body. So let's give some random dimension. Let's give the 50 mm, click on close. Now select the sketch, click on extrude cut, click on through all, say OK, and now we will create this pad. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch, and now we will click on this edge and project it. Now make it normal to the left view, and we will rotate our body, and we will select the line tool and create a triangular profile, our sketch is having conflict, so click on here redundant constraint, and it is the constraint. Delete it or deactivate it, and now we will give the fillet, and now we will give the dimension. So select the radius, and this is the R12, and select horizontal. This is the vertical dimension, so here is a vertical symbol, so we will give the 15 mm, and from this bottom to the center select this dimension horizontal, select this and this, and give it 60. Click on OK. Now press 0, select the sketch, click on extrude, and click on reverse, and give the dimension 15. Click on OK. Now we will create this cut. So we will select the face and click on the sketch. We will press 0, click on the project geometry, switch to the right plane, and now we will make this symmetric. So we will click on the symmetricity, select this point, and this, and resolve this conflict, and select this horizontal dimension and give it a 35, and this is of a 20, so it will over define. Now we will define the height of a 40 mm. Select horizontal dimension, the 40 mm. Now click on close. Now click on extrude cut, and from here say it through all, and now we will create this hole. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will click on the circle, diameter, and diameter of a 25. Select this and this, and give it 15 mm. Click on close. So here press 0, and we will delete this dimension and project this. Define the dimension for 15 mm. Press 0, click on close, and click on the cut, and from here say through all, say OK. Now we will create these two holes. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, select the circle, and select the diameter, and diameter of the 20 mm. Click on close, click on extrude, and from here say it through all, and now we will create this hole. So we will select this face and click on the sketch, press 0, click on project geometry, click on the circle, create a circle, and this is of 12 mm diameter. If some of the dimension is not given, we are assuming it. And click on cut, and from here say it through all. So now you can see that we have successfully made this simple part, and this is the very simple tutorial designed for the beginner user to understand the extrude features like extrude boss, extrude cut and holes, and how to select perfect plane to model a part so that you can model the part with less feature. Now we will provide the color. So select the last feature, go to the appearances and go to the shape color, and here we will provide approximate color as per our part. So this is the very basic tutorial design for the beginner user. If you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. So thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.